Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you how I made this turmeric and shea butter face mask. Let's get started. So here's what we need for our face mask. We need raw shea butter. It's raw shea butter. It was sent to me from Nigeria some time ago. And we also need our turmeric powder. Very simple and easy ingredients. Next, I'm going to get a tablespoon or two of shea butter into this bowl, depending on the quantity you are making. So I'll be melting mine over heat. You can decide to just whip direct with the turmeric, but I'll melt mine. So my shea butter has been melted. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to mix and mix. It is better to mix with a mixer in order to get a very smooth consistency. If you notice your texture is too light, you can go ahead and add more. So I added 1 more tablespoon of turmeric. Mix and continue mixing. I decided to continue my mixing with this to get a smooth and finer texture. So at the last minute, I decided to add in half tablespoon of honey. This is optional. You can decide to just go ahead and use your straight like that. Also, you can decide to add any essential oil. It's up to you. So guys, I am okay with this consistency. The next thing, I'm just going to transfer it to a bottle or a jar just for preserving. You can preserve this for at least 1 week or even more in your fridge. So you can apply this on your face and leave for at least 30 minutes before washing off. So guys, that is it for our turmeric shea butter face mask. I'm going to leave the benefit in the description box below, and I'm going to show you how I apply it. So guys, my turmeric and shea butter face mask, as you can see, this is how you apply. Good for dark eyes too. See, I'm actually using it to clear my dark eyes, guys. Be careful, turmeric stains a lot, so be careful when applying not to stain yourself. And this brightens the skin too. Oh, well, good skin brightener.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh.
So guys, this is how I apply it. What do you guys think? Then I'll wash off after about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, that is it for our turmeric, shea butter and honey face mask. This is really good, cost effective, and helps with all the blemishes and brightens your face. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.